In my last homeschooling video, I shared the learning tools we use for each subject. In this video, I'll be sharing how we prepare our house for the new homeschool year. The first thing we do is to clean up their room so we can have a fresh start to the school year. I usually wait till the weekend just before we start school to clean up and set up their homeschool space. That way, the room has a chance of staying clean and the pencils, glue, and learning materials won't go missing. Now, I can manage to set up a few days before because around the end of the prior school year, I take time to reflect on what's best, what we want to go differently next school year, and how to make that happen. And over the summer, I fine-tune the general direction of the upcoming school year. Then the week before school, on my regular homeschooling planning day, I write out the full lesson plans for at least the first 2 weeks of homeschool. Once we finish cleaning, we take down the summer break decoration that's been up all summer to usher in the new school year and to make way for our subject charts. We set up our subject charts, stick up our minimalist decoration, hang the clips on our finished work string, and it's already starting to feel like the school year. If you want, you can download and print some of the same flashcards and worksheets that we use for math, English, science, social studies, music, art, health, and PE. I've placed links to those in the description below. So once we finish setting up our homeschool space, we get our new school materials and pencils ready. I make it a point to purchase these supplies before the public schools in our area give out their school supply lists. Because once those public school supplies lists are out and the families come through there, there's slim pickings in the store. So I'm interested. What's your story? Are you just curious about homeschooling? Are you already homeschooling? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in homeschooling for the first time, you can use my live online How to Start Homeschooling class to help you. Or if you want, you can just download the workbook and it'll help you set up independently. Either way, check out our Homeschool Day in the Life video, our other videos, and the downloadable homeschool materials linked in the description below to help you homeschool and enjoy life. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.